Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make an animated GIF using Photoshop. So to start off, I'm just going to open up Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC, so Photoshop Creative Cloud. If you have Photoshop CS6, which I'm guessing most of you probably will have, then you don't have to worry because CC and CS6 are exactly the same for GIF making at least. There's basically no difference. So, to start off, I'm just going to click on File, Import Video Frames to Layers, which is going to bring all of my files, basically, and all of my all of my content on my laptop up. I already have the clip that I want to GIF saved. Let's just say that you want to GIF part of a YouTube video. Then you would go to YouTube, you would open the video, and then you would screen record the part that you want to turn into a GIF using Photoshop. If you have a Mac, then I would recommend QuickTime Player because in my opinion that's the best program to use for screen recording. If you use a PC, then just use whatever program you would use to screen record with. But anyways, then you would save that, and then you would be able to open it here. And then it opens up this window which says Import Video to Layers, and then you would click Selected Range Only and limit to every however number of frames. I like doing 3 frames because I don't want each individual layer to be too big of a file size, because if it is, then the finished GIF will be too big to upload to the internet, and I don't want that. So I like 3, but it's basically up to you. And then you have those 2 half arrows which help you, they let you select from where to where you want to basically make a GIF of, like from where to where you want to GIF your video. It's going to do it like this. And then you can preview it, and obviously there's not going to be any sound in the video, in the finished GIF, sorry, and there's not going to be any sound in the GIF, but I screen recorded with sound, so just if you're wondering. So then when you're done, when you've chosen from where to where you want to GIF it, then you click on OK, and it brings it up. As you can see, there's that white border around it, and I obviously don't want that in my GIF, so I'm just going to crop that off. So you click and crop, and then you're going to just do it from wherever you want. You don't have to do this, but I don't, obviously am going to do it because I don't want that there. And then you just do it however you want to, because I just want him. And if you're wondering, that's Ashton Irwin from the band 5 Seconds of Summer, by the way. And then we do it like this. So that's that. So we have it cropped like I want it to be. And then you have this timeline at the bottom. If you don't have that open, which you probably won't if you just open Photoshop, then you just go to Window and you select Timeline, and that just brings it up. So you have I have the number of 7 layers. I have a total number of 7 layers. So this GIF basically consists of 7 layers. Each layer has the number of seconds it gets played, and then there's that arrow next to it. If you click on the arrow, you can select the number of seconds you want it to be played for. It obviously depends on how long you want your GIF, or how fast or how slow you want your GIF to be played. It's up to you. If you want your GIF to be slow, the number of seconds has to be higher, and if you want your GIF to be played really fast, then your number of seconds is going to be lower, obviously. But it's up to you. I'm not going to change it now because I don't want to bore you in this video, but I just wanted to explain to you how to do it. And then you can preview it. As you can see, it's a bit slow. It's a bit slow, but I'm not going to change it now. So let's just pretend that that's my finished GIF. You could also add text to your GIF, or you could add filters, so effects, but it's basically up to you. You just have to experiment around a bit. And then I click on File, Save for Web, because I want to upload it to Tumblr, so I want to upload it to the internet, so I click on Save for Web. If you're not planning to upload it to the internet, then just click on Save or Save As, but as I do, I'm just going to click on here, which brings up this. You don't really have to worry about anything but this thing here. You want to make sure that GIF is selected, not JPEG or PNG, because JPEG or PNG our picture formats and we want it to be GIF, want it to be an animated GIF. So make sure GIF selected, and then you basically just click on save, and then you just name it. I'm gonna name it 5 sauce save, and that's basically it. Then my GIF is saved. So I've basically closed Photoshop, and I'm just gonna show you where your GIF would show up. So I'm just gonna type the name that I named it in, and it's gonna show up. And then, as you can see, it previews it a bit here. And then if I were to click on it, it would open up in preview. If you have a Mac, of course. I'm not too sure how it is with a PC. But then it would come up, and then I could preview it. So that's basically how it would look. And then I could just upload it to the internet. And yeah, so that's basically how you make an animated GIF using Photoshop. I hope that this video was helpful and you learned something today. Sounds like school, learned something. I hope you learned how to make an animated GIF. If it wasn't helpful, I'm sorry. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Bye!